Good evening. Today really showed what a difference the sun makes at this time of year. It is strong, so when we see it, the temperatures really soar. And those have reached 25 degrees in central London today. But as we collate the figures, I'm sure this evening somewhere will have reached 26 degrees Celsius, which is on a par with much of Iberia, into Spain, the Alpine regions and the Low Countries. It's even been sunny and warm across parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland, where we've seen the high teens. 18s and 19s here, but we do have more cloud around just because of the proximity of this weather front, which then through this evening and overnight returns eastwards, bringing just a few splashes of rain to Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. Not as much as we've seen, but obviously it tempers the amount of clear skies and therefore sunshine that we'll have to start tomorrow. Elsewhere, under the clear skies, light winds in the east, there could be a little mist or fog first thing if you're up that early, but it should clear quite quickly tomorrow. We've still got this southeasterly feed. Pollen levels again will be high. And of course, at this time of year, the sun's as strong as August, so it's pretty lively out there, the strength of the sun. For most of us, it's another warm day, warmer than today, potentially that warmth spreading northwards. But again, there'll be a little bit more cloud in the north and west, and perhaps for parts of Western Wales and southwest England, it should burn back to the coast. But again, with onshore breezes, it could be brought on shore from time to time. Now, as we go through Friday, we start to lose that southeasterly flow and pick up more of an Atlantic influence. So things start to feel a little cooler, a little fresher, but still lots of sunshine around, perhaps a little bit more mist and fog around in the morning. And again, for English Channel coasts, it could just come on shore at times with those sea breezes. But for most of us, lots of lovely sunshine to enjoy again. Strong sunshine, even though the wind's a little higher and the temperatures perhaps a little lower with a few showers in the north and west. Still a really decent day. But what's happening is the high pressure that's with us at the moment is relinquishing its grip. It's allowing this cold weather front, so cooler air, to come in off the Atlantic. And then with it some moisture, and after the heat that will be released with some showers. Some sharp showers potentially by Sunday in particular. They could be heavy with some thunder around, and look at the dip off in temperatures as we return more to average for the time of year. So ahead of that, on Sunday, we could have some real warmth for those London Marathon runners and spectators, perhaps one of the warmest marathons so far, but also there's at risk later in the day of a heavy shower. Stay tuned.